Meaning of dark.
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 Dark. Dark refers to the absence or deficiency of visible light. It is the opposite of brightness and is often associated with feelings of gloominess, sadness, or mystery. In literature and art, darkness is frequently used to create a sense of foreboding or danger. However, darkness can also be seen as a means of concealment, offering a sense of privacy or protection. In physics, dark matter and dark energy are theoretical concepts that refer to invisible forms of matter and energy that make up the majority of the universe, yet remain largely unknown and mysterious.